In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subtask in Jira. If you're working in Jira and want to break a larger task into smaller, more manageable pieces, creating a subtask is a simple and useful way to do it. Subtasks help you organize work under a parent issue, making it easier to track progress and keep everyone aligned on what still needs to be done. To get started, open your Jira board and click on the task you want to work with. This is the main issue that will hold the subtask underneath it. Once you select the task, Jira will open its issue details so you can view everything related to that item. Make sure you've chosen the correct task before moving on, because the subtask you create will be attached to this parent issue. Next, look for the subtasks section inside the task details. In that area, click the plus icon. This button is what Jira uses to create a new subtask under the issue you currently have open. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to scan the issue panel carefully. The subtasks area is usually clearly labeled, and the plus icon is typically small, so it can be easy to miss at first. After clicking the plus icon, you can type the subtask. Enter a short, clear title that describes the specific piece of work that needs to be completed. It's a good idea to keep the wording direct and easy to understand, especially if multiple people will be reviewing or updating the issue later. A well-named subtask makes your board easier to scan and helps reduce confusion during planning or status updates. Once the text is entered, Jira will create the subtask under the main task, allowing you to track that smaller action item separately while still keeping it connected to the larger piece of work. This is especially helpful when a single task involves several steps, different contributors, or work that needs to be completed in sequence. And that's it. Creating a subtask in Jira only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how clearly work is organized. When used consistently, subtasks can improve visibility, simplify execution, and help teams stay focused on the next action that needs to happen.